Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass on an HP Officejet 8620. It's a pretty simple process, and if you've ever noticed that whenever you print something to the printer, everything's coming out just fine. You're having no problems with your print quality. But as soon as you go to scan or make a copy of anything, you're starting to notice blemishes or vertical lines down the page, anything like that. That's going to be because of something on the scanner glass. So on this particular printer, there's going to be two separate pieces of glass for the scanner. There's a small strip on the left side of the printer, and then the big flat plated glass, that's going to be for anything that you print or you copy on the flatbed. This little strip of glass that's on the left side is for any time you feed something through the document feeder on the top of the printer. So depending on when you're noticing those blemishes occurring, kind of tells you what piece of glass needs the most attention. So you're really going to be looking for any kind of smudges or raised spots. Usually there'll be like a raised black spot or white spot because of whiteout or ink that's kind of accumulated in certain areas. The best way to clean it is a lint-free cloth and your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have any glass cleaner handy, rubbing alcohol works really well as well. And you just apply your cleaner to your cloth. Never apply the cleaner to the glass. If the cleaner seeps underneath on the bottom side of the glass, it's going to cause a lot more problems than you were starting with. So you want to make sure the cleaner always goes on the cloth and not on the glass. Once you have some cleaner on your rag, you're just going to go through and just clean the glass really well. Again, making sure that if you do see any of those little spots or raised areas that you're getting them completely clean. And then, since we're here, we'll go ahead and do both pieces. And then just once you kind of wipe everything down, give it a good look over, make sure you don't see anything that's still visible on the glass. After that, I'd go ahead and do a couple test copies just to make sure you're happy with the way everything looks. If you're still noticing some small blemishes, just go ahead and wipe everything down one more time and that should take care of it. Other than that, you should be back up and printing.